Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. Supreme Court laid down when the proceedings can be quashed under Section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 within bracket CRPC if the parties have reached a settlement. Full stop. The judgment was delivered by a three-judge bench consisting of Justice R. M. Lodha, Justice Anil R. Dave, and Justice Sudhanshu Jyoti full stop. Jian Singh was convicted under sections 420 within bracket cheating and 120B bracket criminal conspiracy bracket clause of the Indian Penal Code 1860 within bracket IPC by a magistrate full stop while his appeal was pending before the sessions judge Jian Singh filed an application for compounding the offence which was directed to be considered along with the main appeal full stop. Jian Singh filed a petition under section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 within bracket CRPC for quashing the FIR on grounds of compounding the offence full stop. The High Court dismissed the petition leading to Jian Singh filing a special leave petition before the Supreme Court full stop. The two-judge bench hearing the special leave petition doubted the correctness of three previous Supreme Court decisions that had indirectly permitted compounding of non-compoundable offences full stop. The bench noted that while section 420 IPC within bracket cheating is compoundable with permission of the court, section 120B IPC bracket criminal conspiracy bracket clause is non-compoundable full stop. The bench expressed the view that something which cannot be done directly cannot be done indirectly and non-compoundable offences should not be permitted to be compounded by the court full stop. The matter was referred to a larger bench to reconsider the correctness of the three previous decisions full stop. The case involved consideration of the relationship between section 320 of the code bracket which provides for compounding of certain offences bracket clause and section 482 bracket which saves the inherent power of the High Court bracket clause stop. The larger bench was tasked with determining whether the High Court could use its inherent powers under section 482 to quash criminal proceedings involving non-compoundable offences when parties have reached a settlement full stop. The court affirmed that the High Court's power to quash criminal proceedings under its inherent jurisdiction bracket section 482 bracket clause is distinct from the power of compounding offences under section 320 of the Criminal Procedure Code full stop. The court held that inherent power, while broad in scope with no statutory limitation, must be exercised in accordance with two guidelines to secure the ends of justice or to prevent abuse of court process full stop. The court emphasized that the decision to quash criminal proceedings based on settlement between parties must depend on the specific facts and circumstances of each case full stop. The court ruled that heinous and serious offences such as murder, rape, and dacoity cannot be quashed फुल स्टॉप एंड ओवर। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 85 WPM के डिक्टेशन थी। तो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन लाइक दिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।